I can't vlog, yeah, go vlog.
Good morning, people. Good morning. Welcome back to another beautiful day. I'm here. That's my sister. And she forcing me to go to the beach when I don't have the money. My gas is
You can never vlog that.
really low. But I'm gonna just drop her by the beach, and when she's ready she can just leave, you know, because that's it. So she spent the night with us last night and we are going to the beach, so let us go. So yes guys, we are here at the beach. My sister, all she's interested in taking pictures and you know, talking about bad suit to put up on Instagram. But if she put up one of those bad suits on her Instagram, I'm gonna flag it. I'm gonna report it to Instagram. Yes, so that's why I am big brother. I have to protect little sister because she don't have the heads. She's got focus. So she don't know what she's thinking about. Right? So we are here. And I don't know, she's the one who wanted to come to the beach.
But of course.
So you're not gonna swim?
A picture me want you to take, that's one.
Oh, she want to take a picture. Well, Rakisha is at work and today's my day off. But what can we do?
Take pictures, vlogs, and film for
She's talking about 15 minutes time. You know? But what the percent?
Yo, perfect picture this one, you see son.
You take selfie?
Me not take no selfie.
She's interested in naked. Hope you can see her.
There you go.
So I'm gonna put up two of those pictures on my Instagram to see, show you guys how. But as I said, she's the one who is in charge. So that's it. Mom,
You're not going to up and take your walk.
I'm not gonna
Take picture. Come here, don't take picture. No oat, no dry, cause I can't me. Sun gone hard to come out there.
No more the sun up.
No, I'm put on make me sit there. If you want to.
More the sun up, people. The beach look very, very busy today. Look like a little family thing. So, but it seems that they bite off for themselves private and all that. So, yeah, what can be done?
You want to go for Puerto Rico now?
No.
Stop.
Security, I got stop you.
Get to where this now.
Can you make the sense of try go ahead next time? I'm going to chat to security. So,
Are you the coffee?
call to me. Come. Come, what make? See? Come, we are go over there.
Why?
Please, I go over there, go look. See me, we are talking, me know him. Just come. Man, wrap them, go to shop.
Where's security today? We can't walk. You know him?
No, I don't know him.
So we are go there.
Just come. I'm here rule, you know. I'm a bad man over here, so. Everybody know that. You know, a lot of people say, oh, I'm a bad man over here, so. Over here, so nice. Fuck, say, I shall come over here, so man. She not understand, that's why. I'll target. I just said they need it first before
Yeah,
when,
but them by the problem, them by the
but she claims that they claim to say oh they still own a vessel, yeah, same way.
I see a beach. And the money look at this money there.
No, the difference is they say over here for you better than upset. And you know, only two like fish pieces, so
Yeah, that's one thing too. So guys, my sister finally decides that she's hungry, which is I'm happy for her to be hungry so that we can leave because I'm tired of I don't really like to go out like unprepared, as you guys may know, right? But this facility, guys, it's really nice. First time over here. So these people that's making noise there, they claim that the owner for Puerto Rico now don't own this spot, right? So you know Jamaicans they like to take refuge. So basically that's just it now. That's really it. So one of the main reasons, guys, why you're not seeing any vlog from us because it's really hard to vlog and work. Because at my workplace I don't have no time for that because I'm busy ensuring that all the design are very nice and good. So I just don't have no time. So that's it basically still. So basically, I'm gonna exit this place and see you when I reach back home. I'm gonna drop my sister off by the bus stop and she's gonna get a bus and then we exit, alright?
So my man start get intense, you know.
Why?
We're gonna see him get the car this long, look now. Yeah. Get up there now, tomorrow.
Huh?
My man, get up there now. Mark, you like the plate now, no?
Give me a shot. I want to these days in a take shit, I'm serious, my friend.
And the same man I look for you and have your phone in your hand.
We take bus.
We are buy something first.
We are buy.
You know, buy patty.
Bus. I call about. We tell them the money. You want to, you know? You know, say.
We are buy patty.
You know the reason why I don't really deal with people no more is because of that reason there. Because people take people through. Same time people say you don't have it. You don't have it. You don't have it, answer.
We are buy patty.
Drive through.
Yeah.
we are buy. So,
Man, they look for me again.
really? Where man there?
One next one.
Oh.
Now, come out there now.
Alright, so sister decides she can use her for all her fear. I like $1,000 to go buy food. Food on their money.
No, I got me no food up there. So.
On a board. Food not free. So what problem? You get breakfast, lunch and dinner, you go get your breakfast.
What's lunch?
So then
Breakfast pass.
So then I left you.
No?
Are you sure I'm going to friend colleague with you? No true people.
1 food per person.
They're supposed to left by all rights. You spend the money and leave your food. No doubt about it if you not did it or not. Better you dash away or better you spoil. Who agree with me? Let me know. So, it wasn't a bad morning, right? But me I go to my yard. I'm tired. I go to sleep. And see if I can get 2 phone calls to the hustle street to get pizza. Because my pizza poker yard, we don't have really have no food. Food done fast in the house. Buy
You're
food.
not going to post this.
Yeah, well, people have to know your business. Man, I put it in a munch. So she buy 2 patties with her money and I take a piece of one.
One thing go send some people for us.
So my sister buy chicken patty. In a long time I need chicken patty.
When was the time to church?
Long time. From come back from family go to church. Oh, take the mother funeral. The last time.
And it's God church.
God first on Sunday.
When?
Yeah. Oh, you know rubbish bin, brother.
Man, the favor valley.
Over the seat, boss. Over the man. You see my goals out there, so I just pick me game. Soon go pick them up one by one.
Come on, walk by one to say that.
Rack I'm your correct. Abigail, remember saying I have no money. You know buy no juice, brother.
Now go get soup for them.
No, you fear me tell her you don't know how much you go for yourself and poetry. It's expensive, brother, so you have to just relax. You have smart in this one. You must listen to me, man. I mean, I just talk the right things.
What about you got on?
Call mommy if call me and call my phone. Go on, pull it one go on and take up the garbage, brother.
I gotta make my patty cool and that me need one.
And you know, I drive back in the car because you have just have thing lock. Yeah, go have rubbish in the car. How close?
I'll lick me, I'll lick you.
Alright. You know what I'm going to do? Next time I come here, you take taxi.
I don't know where you have one child's lock.
Because I see if as a Honda stay. Once you lock the watch, once you lock the building, see there? You lock down them by itself. A Honda this and I think a BMW.
BMW is way better.
Nice. Look at the Chinaman time this. Chinaman time this. That means I mean when you pull at your own risk.
Drink your time type me.
Yeah.
You know you want to buy but you got done.
Well, Tell me buy and get me get. I know me buy so you can't complain to me buy me spend the money.
You do that too much time.
You ready?
Graphic design them.
Oh, you can graphic design man.
Video I that in class school for.
Video.
Videography, you have intro and everything.
Oh, well, you can link him to him to shoot some.
Me how you no deal?
No business, then that mean say you have the kind deal, that mean say you can't them count. So guys, I made it back home. My sister is gone and I wish her all the best. Yes. But you know, all is said and all is done. After all, she's my little sister. So I got to take care of her in any ways, shape or form, but I don't really have it that much. But you know, everybody like to stay with us. You know, imagine when time we actually build our house on the hill, or yeah, definitely on the hill. I'm gonna make like 3 extra room, maybe 4 extra room or something. But you see a workout still, isn't it? Anyway, guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share as usual. And we really appreciate you guys so much. And for all of our new subscribers, please guys follow us on the Instagram at Raquem, RAQ and KEM at Instagram.com, and follow us and you'll see all of the picture them, all of the excitement things and you know all of that. So stay tuned. I'm out.